I am back here with another watercolor session today. So it's just a random one today. I'm experimenting to mix some bright colors together. So I'll be using orange, yellow, white, and red as a base color. So while the paper is wet, I'll try to blend all the colors quickly. The theme behind this painting is freedom. I hear every day stories of women that have been suffered or suffering or being abused but never got courage to leave the situation due to lots of reasons, definitely. But they preferred to stay, not judging anything, but encouraging women or anybody has been suffering of mentally, some sort of abuse and violence. They need to know one thing that when you let go things, only then new things come in. So better make space for that. So the painting is like an abstract art. The bird is being released by the omen. It's like a symbol of being cage free for the bird. So the message is here: fly high, my people. Life is too short to shed back. I know there is nothing more painful in this world than to be in love with something and that never can be yours. But still, you need to understand one thing, that you have to set yourself free because you do not want to fall another moment into that gravity of pain. Just keep the faith. There is plenty of new opportunities to come in your life. There is plenty of new things to explore in this world. Trust the God and stay empowered and help the needy, obviously. Encouraging people to show them the right path, to support them, has been great happiness for me. Whenever I hear back from them that their life has been changed for the little support system I have become to them, that reminds me that real happiness and help me to understand the value of my own existence. If you like the video and the theme of the art, please share and comment and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you soon.